Welcome to the new primary suite. This primary suite is a little different in that we're walking through the closet in order to get to the main space. But we did this because the closet, as it were, there's a long, thin hallway getting down to the master suite, and it made the master closet really difficult to use, and it didn't maximize the space. So we opened it up. We painted the door black to bring interest into this space, and you'll see how it ties in when we move into the other rooms. We put the mirror here, and that allowed us to have a nice big entry. And having the mirror here really opens up this entry as well. We finished the floors to match the existing floors, and we added a nice soft carpet so you have a nice landing in here. Improved lighting. But most importantly, there was a wall that separated the hallway from the master closet with these crazy doors. You can see it's open, it's big, it's easy to access the everything that we need for daily life. Tons of storage. Made my client so happy. And although, yes, we are walking through it in order to get the primary bedroom, it's fine. It's great. We really made it feel like a room with all these additions, but of course, we added the wallpaper and we got the wallpaper up to the ceiling. Why wouldn't you do that? Why would you forget about the ceiling? No, we didn't forget about it. And that's the kind of details that we love doing at Walden Interiors. I'm going to take you into the primary bedroom now. Welcome to the primary suite. We installed this barn door, making a lot of privacy between the entry of the closet and into the bedroom, and it allows light to go into the closet. But the real pièce de résistance in this bedroom is the full back wall mural. I love wallpaper and I love wall murals, and it inspired the whole room. The client loves green and loves nature. And so this is why I chose this particular mural for this room. We also chose to offset the bed slightly from the two back windows. And the reason we did this is we wanted some landing space on this side that was much more functional. With the bed in the middle, it really didn't leave enough space on either side for any other things. And so what happened is it gave us room to put in some freestanding storage units, which is a massive amount of storage on this side, and a small desk, which is perfect for today's lifestyle where there are so many more people working from home. And this gives another place in your home to work from. Although I'm not a proponent of having a work space in your home. We've kept it very light and pretty, and it's really just her landing spot to allow her some privacy from the rest of the home if she needs to get away for a moment. We have installed these really natural feeling Roman blinds, which I love because it brings in the whole feeling of the mural in the back wall. And we've kept the green theme throughout, but this bed is beautiful, beautiful velvet with a nice wooden trim finish in a dark black. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Accent pillows, not too many. I like to have a really pretty bed, but I don't want it to be so busy that you're spending half your time putting the pillows on the bed and taking them off the bed. So we have a couple of sleeping pillows, 3 full shams, and then a pretty decorative pillow on the front. This space allowed us to do the TV at the foot of the bed with another storage unit. So we're really offering a ton of storage along with the functionality that we added when we redid the closet. She's got plenty of storage in here now. allowing things to be hidden away and keeping the room very light and clean and peaceful. On We installed a chandelier. I love it. It really brings the space together. And this bedroom has higher ceilings. It's not double height ceilings, but we're looking at about 12-foot ceilings. We've made the feeling of like a cave and very cozy by extending the wall color up the walls and in onto the ceiling. And so there's no break with your eyes. So you really feel wrapped in this cozy, warm, inviting bedroom. Allowed us to have a gorgeous piece of art on the wall. A lot of the wall space has been taken up, especially with the mural. So we didn't have much space for art, but we did manage to slip a little piece in here that the homeowner loved. We refinished the floors in here to match the rest of her home, which was existing. And we added a carpet that is a easy to clean, easy care carpet with a standard size of 9 by 12. This primary suite has a very small ensuite, but it was made even smaller with this door, which we reversed because it was opening into the small bathroom. And that made this bathroom even smaller. By opening it into the bedroom, which didn't impact any of the furniture placement in the bedroom, was fantastic and allowed us to have room for a great hook, a nice long, and we added these bathroom accessories to brighten it up. We didn't actually do any major repairs here, but we wanted to really tie it into the bathroom. And these are some of the freshen ups we did. New bathroom accessories, a great power and buy, easy up. And coming into the bathroom, we didn't touch any of the tiling, but what we did is added a phenomenal, huge medicine cabinet. So while we could have inset it, it did impact some of the plumbing. So we chose to put it on top of the drywall. And then, of course, in this bathroom, we did fantastic wallpapering, which really finished the day.